What are my 5 real estate investing tips for 2021 for you? Here they are. Number 1, always know how you plan to profit on any particular property that you're investing in. Number 2, start easier. I know it's tempting to want to dive off into the deep end and do the big old flip and dive into commercial apartment buildings and all that. Start simple and build up. Number 3, don't let the noise of the current market, it's crazy in 2021. Don't let the noise of the current market intimidate you, force you to settle, cause you to rush. Don't let it get to you. Just keep going on your path and it'll be fine. Number 4, learn the true ins and outs of any strategy that you're pursuing. How do you make that strategy successful? What things contribute to that? What are the numbers? How do you run those? What are the risks? And what are the things you can do to help mitigate those risks? Super easy, but you need to understand those for any strategy. And number 5, do what feels natural to you. Don't force a square peg in a round hole. If you follow these 5 tips, I guarantee your pathway into real estate investing or your pathway as an investor are going to feel more smooth. If you're an investor and you have additional tips to add to this for anyone who's listening, leave those down in the comments. Smash that like button if these are helpful. And also in the comments, leave any questions you have about how to do any of those things. So we'll circle back in 2022 and see how things are different, if they are at all.